Every day, across Nigeria's vast skies, millions of people rise above rivers, forests, cities, and coastlines, not by road, not by rail, but by air. From early morning departures in Lagos to late night landings in Abuja, from the oil city runways of Port Harcourt to the historic terminals of Kano, Nigeria's airports have become arteries of movement, carrying businesses, politics, family, culture, and ambition. But among more than 30 operational airports in Nigeria, only a few dominate domestic travels. Today, we reveal the 10 busiest airports in Nigeria by domestic passenger traffic, 2026 edition, and the powerful story they tell about Nigeria's economy, region, and future. Let's begin. Nigeria is Africa's most populous nation, over 220 million people spread across vast geography, with limited rail connectivity and congested highways. Air travel has become essential. Once reserved for elites, domestic aviation now serves traders, entrepreneurs, students, politicians, medical travelers, diaspora families, corporate executives. Where people fly most is where power, opportunity, and economic gravity converge. And that's exactly what this ranking reveals. Let's count them down. At number 10, Sokoto Airport. Historic Sokoto is Nigeria's spiritual heartland, home to Islamic scholarship and northern governance. Handling over 140,000 domestic passengers annually, Sokoto Airport connects northwestern Nigeria, mainly to Abuja and Lagos. Its traffic isn't driven by tourism or industry, but by administration, religion, scholarship, and regional mobility. Sokoto proves that aviation importance isn't only about population, it is about necessity. At number 9, Yola Airport. Serving Adamawa and the wider Northeast, Yola handles over 160,000 domestic passengers annually. In a region where road travel is difficult, air travel becomes a lifeline, supporting government operations, humanitarian missions, commerce, and family movements. Yola's presence in Nigeria's top 10 reflects resilience and the power of aviation to connect even the most distant regions. At number 8, Maiduguri International Airport. Once a legendary trans-Saharan trading hub, Maiduguri today serves as a strategic aviation gateway for northeastern Nigeria, handling roughly 180,000 domestic passengers annually. The airport supports government operations, humanitarian logistics, and national security missions. Its ranking reflects something deeper, that aviation is not just about commerce, but about national integration. At number 7, Benin Airport, located between Lagos, Abuja, and Niger Delta. Benin City's airport handles over 350,000 domestic passengers annually. Its traffic is fueled by trade, business travels, government mobility, and tourism, making it one of southern Nigeria's most dependable regional connectors. Benin isn't Nigeria's loudest airport, but it is one of the most consistent. At number 6, Owerri Sam Mbakwe Airport. Owerri is one of Nigeria's most vibrant southeastern cities, known for hospitality, education, entertainment, and lifestyle tourism. Handling over 400,000 domestic passengers annually, Owerri's airport thrives on diaspora travel, business movement, and seasonal homecoming surges, especially during Christmas, Easter, and major festivals. Its rise into Nigeria's top 6 reflects Nigeria's growing economic energy of southeastern Nigeria and the region's deep culture of mobility. At number 5, Enugu Airport. Often described as the aviation capital of southeastern Nigeria, Enugu handles nearly 500,000 domestic passengers annually. It serves as the region's political, administrative, and institutional gateway, connecting southeastern governments, businesses, and professionals to Lagos and Abuja. Enugu's dominance reflects not just population, but regional leadership. It is the eastern gateway to Nigeria's skies. At number 4, Kano's Airport. Kano is in northern Nigeria's commercial powerhouse, with centuries of trade history and modern industrial dominance, handling over 500,000 domestic passengers annually. Kano Airport connects northern markets to Lagos, Abuja, and beyond. It serves manufacturers, traders, exporters, politicians, and industrialists, making it the north's most important aviation hub outside the capital. At number 3, Port Harcourt Airport. Nigeria's oil and gas capital. Port Harcourt handles over 1 million domestic passengers annually, the busiest outside Lagos and Abuja. Its traffic reflects Nigeria's energy economy, driven by oil executives, engineers, contractors, and corporate logistics. Port Harcourt Airport is not just a terminal, it is Nigeria's industrial command center in the sky. At number 2, Abuja Airport. Nigeria's political capital handles over 4.3 million domestic passengers annually, making it one of Africa's busiest domestic hubs. Abuja connects to virtually every major Nigerian city, serving ministers, governors, diplomats, contractors, NGOs, consultants, and business leaders. If Lagos drives commerce, Abuja drives governance, and governance generates movement. Abuja Airport is Nigeria's political bloodstream and one of the most powerful aviation engines. And at number 1, Nigeria's aviation titan, Lagos Muritala Mohammed International Airport. Lagos is West Africa's largest metropolitan economy, Nigeria's financial capital, its entertainment hub, its startup ecosystem, its logistic engine, handling over 4 million domestic passengers annually. Lagos Airport dominates Nigerian skies. Lagos Abuja is Africa's busiest domestic route. Lagos Port Harcourt, Lagos Enugu, Lagos Owerri, Lagos Benin all rank among Nigeria's most flown corridors. Every sector flows through Lagos, finance, technology, entertainment, manufacturing, trade, logistics, real estate, and media. Lagos Airport is Nigeria's marketplace in the sky, where deals are negotiated, investment discussed, and futures shaped. It is not just Nigeria's busiest airport, it is Nigeria's aviation capital. Airports don't just move people, they move economies. Every boarding pass represents a business deal, a job opportunity, a medical emergency, a wedding, a funeral, a political negotiation, a startup pitch, and a family reunion. Where airports thrive, cities thrive. Where cities thrive, regions grow. And where regions grow, nations rise. Nigeria's busiest airports reveal where power concentrates, commerce flows, governance operates, industry expands, culture evolves. From Lagos and Abuja, to Port Harcourt and Kano, to Enugu and Owerri, these airports form Nigeria's aviation spine. Nigeria's population is rising, its cities are expanding, its economy is diversifying. This will drive explosive growth in domestic aviation. In the future, we may see Asaba emerge as a regional hub, Ibadan absorb Lagos overflow traffic, Oyo and Calabar grow tourism aviation, Ilorin become North Central connector, Warri regain energy sector, aviation dominance. But for now, the hierarchy remains clear. Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Kano, Enugu, Owerri, Benin, Maiduguri, Yola, and Sokoto. These 10 airports define Nigeria's domestic skies. Let's recap. Nigeria's 10 busiest airports by domestic passenger traffic, 2026 edition. At number 10, we have Sokoto. Number 9, Yola. 8, Maiduguri. 7, Benin. 6, Owerri. 5, Enugu. 4, Kano. 3, Port Harcourt. 2, Abuja. And at number 1, we have Lagos. From megacities to frontier regions, from oil capitals to political nerve centers, these airports move Nigeria forward, one flight at a time. If you enjoyed this documentary, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments which Nigeria airports do you think will rise next to the top 10. Until next time, this is 1010 Media, telling African stories through data, development, and documentary storytelling.